Okay, sorry about that. Issue with my daughter. So the translation rule, we're taking it from STUV to S prime T prime U prime V prime. So in this case, we're going from this darker figure to the lighter one here. So you want to compare S to S prime, or you can pick any other point and compare it to its prime. But I need to figure out how to get from XY. So I want to get from this XY to this XY, S to S prime. Well, to get there, I need to see what happens to the X's and what happens to the Y's. So X and Y. Well, I need to go to the left 1. Okay, so that'll put me in line with S prime. So I'm going left 1. Anytime we go left, we're going to make it negative. Here, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be Y minus 4. So that negative there says I'm going left. This negative affecting the Y says I'm going down. So here, they want us to write the rule to get from P to P prime. So we have an XY. That is going to go. We're going to do something to the X, something to the Y. So do I go here to here? No. Even though I went right to left here, I'm not going to go right to left here because I have to follow P to P prime. So the path goes from here and up. So I need to count how many I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it's to the right, it's positive 5. Now I need to go up 2. So I'm going to add 2. All right. So that's writing the rule. We're also going to do a composition of rigid motions. So composition just simply means 2 or more. So 2 or more rigid motions. So the second rigid motion is done. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. To the image of the first. So what that means is we're going to, so if I have X, Y, I'm going to change it once and I'm going to get a new X, Y. Say we get A, B, and then I'm going to take that and I'm going to change A, B. Okay, so for the second one, I'm not going up to X, Y. I'm going to change the next one there. So we're going to skip down to example 4 here. Now how you'll see it, how you'll see it here. So the first thing we're going to do, A, is we're going to do a reflection over y-axis. And then B, the second thing we're going to do is a translation. Now that translation is going to take our xy and it's going to become x plus 3, y minus 2. Okay, so we start with our image points. Our new points, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So we're going to get an A prime. Okay, we reflect over the y, so the y actually stays the same. We're going to change the x, but 0 doesn't change. B prime. I'm going to keep my y the same, but this is going to be unchanged. And then C prime, the y stays the same, but I change the x. Okay, now these are the points that I'm going to change. Once I've done something to these, they go away. We're no longer using them. These are our new points. So I'm going to add 3 to all my x's, subtract 2 from my y. So my new points, we're going to call with double prime, are going to be 3, negative 2. B double prime, 3 to 0 stays 3. 3 plus a negative 2, positive 1. And finally, I add 3 to this one here for C prime. 3, plus a -3, 0, -2 plus 0, -2. This is my final answer, and this is what you're going to enter in. All right, so that's it for translations. You will work on those in your assignment for today. Thank you.